Today we are going to talk about a simple word, giggle. Yes, do you know its meaning? Very simple, to laugh quietly or in a silly way. But do you know that a giggle word can also be used as a noun? Okay, we talked about that giggle can be used as a verb in a sentence, but it can also be used as a noun. So today we are going to talk about how we can use a simple giggle word as a verb or as a noun in different tenses. Yes, today we are going to talk about simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense one by one, their formula and their examples using the simple word giggle. Let's get started. Okay, so when we use giggle as a verb, its meaning is to laugh quietly or in a silly way. Let's use this in simple present tense. Simple present tense, its formula is subject plus base form of verb, or you can say simple form of verb plus s या es. Example, I giggle when I am nervous. मैं हंसती हूँ जब मैं घबराती हूँ. She giggles at every silly joke. वो हर एक छोटी से छोटी मजाक की बात पर हंसती है. Now let's talk about present continuous tense. Its formula is subject plus is-mr plus verb plus ing. I am giggling because the baby made a funny face. मैं हंस रही हूँ क्योंकि बच्चा funny face बनाता है. The kids are giggling watching during cartoons. बच्चे कार्टून्स के दौरान हंस रहे हैं. Okay, during cartoons. Now let's talk about present perfect tense. Subject plus has ya have plus past participle form of verb. Past participle form of verb मतलब third form of verb. ठीक है? Let's use it. This word giggle. I have giggled because what? Because I have giggled. What did I do? Something. I have giggled at that meme at least 5 times. मैं उस वीडियो पे 5 बार हंस चुकी हूँ. ठीक है? The kids have giggled all morning. बच्चे सुबह से हंसते रहे हैं. ठीक है? ऐसे भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि बच्चे सुबह से हंस ही रहे हैं. तो the kids have giggled all morning. हंस ही रहे हैं सुबह से. ठीक है? Now, it's time to talk about present perfect continuous tense. Its formula is subject plus has ya have plus been plus verb plus ing. Let's talk about this word through examples. I have been giggling since I read your message. मैंने जब से तुम्हारा मैसेज पढ़ा है मैं हंस ही रही हूँ. ठीक है? The girls have been giggling for the past 10 minutes. लड़कियाँ पिछले 10 मिनट से हंसी रही हैं. Got my point? Now, giggle can also be used as a noun. अगर हम giggle को noun की तरह यूज़ करते हैं तो इसका मीनिंग होता है to laugh. Sorry, a silly laugh, a laugh. ठीक है? Let's use it in simple present tense. Her giggle makes everyone smile. Okay, I didn't mention that noun doesn't change with tenses directly, but it can be used with present form of tense. Okay? Present form of verb in a sentence. Noun can be used. Okay, so this noun giggle word can be used with present form of verb in a sentence. Let's see how can be used this simple word as a noun in different tenses. So first we will talk about simple present tense. Her giggle makes everyone smile. उसकी हंसी सबको मुस्कुराने पर मजबूर कर देती है. Their giggles are so contagious. उनकी हंसी इतनी प्यारी है कि सबको हंसना पड़ता है, सबको हंसी आ जाती है. Okay? Next, we will use this giggle word in present continuous tense. Okay, so she is giving a giggle at every time when he talks. Okay, तो वो जब भी बात करता है वो एक हंसी दे देती है, ठीक है, हंस देती है वो, ठीक है. Let's talk about present perfect. Let's use it another example in present continuous tense. They are having a fits of giggle during the show. उनको शो के दौरान हंसी के दौरे आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. हंसी के दौरे मतलब हंसते ही जा रहे हैं, इतना ज़्यादा शो फनी है. Now let's use this word in present perfect tense. He has let out a nervous giggle. उसने घबराहट में एक हंसी छोड़ दी, ठीक है. Got my point? Now let's use it in present perfect continuous tense. Now it is quite tricky, right? So we can use this word as a noun. We cannot use this word as a verb, so that's why it is tricky. It is a little bit tricky. So we can use it as she has been suppressing her giggle for a while. वो कुछ देर से अपनी हंसी को दबा रही है, ठीक है. That's it for today. I hope you have understood my this word in a very great way. Yes, you can also make your kind of sentences using this beautiful word giggle in different tenses, and please let me know how you make sentences in the comment section. Bye bye. I'll be waiting for your comments.